bank with 4 tellers. Tellers 3 and 4 deal with the business accounts, while tellers 1 and 2 deal with general accounts. Clients arrive at the bank at a rate of 1 every 3 plus or minus 1 minute. Of the clients, 33% are business account clients, randomly choose between the two tellers available for each type of account. Assume that a customer chooses a line without regard to its length and does not change lines. That is, jockeying is not allowed here. Business accounts take 15 plus or minus 10 minutes to complete, and general accounts 6 plus or 5 minutes. 6 plus or minus 5 minutes. Simulate the system for 500 transactions to be completed. What percentage of time is each type of teller busy? What is the average time that each type of customer spends in the bank? So here basically there are 4 resources which are available, and there is a customer coming. Out of these customer, there are 2 different segments. One type of customer, they are called as a business account clients, and the other one we call it as a general accounts client. So starting with the create module, I'll be calling here as a customer arrival. So it's in general the customer are arriving. So the entity is customer here. I'm not segregating as a business account client or a general account client. I'm just calling it as, okay, let me call it as just as a client here. So they are arriving at a rate of 1 every 3 plus or minus 1 minute. That's nothing but I can give it as expression uniform. Minimum will become 3 minus 1, that is 2 minutes, and maximum will become 4 minutes. So it's a 2 comma 4, its minutes here. Entity per arrival will become 1. Maximum arrivals is infinite. First creation is 0. I'll say OK for this. Then we'll go for a decision module. Decision module in order to segregate the customer or divide the customer into business account clients and general account clients. So here it's given as business account is 33%. I'll give that only as percent true. You can see here this true. I should connect the process with that deals with the business accounts. So I'll go with the process here, connect it with the true thing here, and call this as business accounts clients transactions. And I'll add in resource here. So cease delay release. The resource here, the clients dealing with the business account is teller 3 and 4. So I give here as teller 3 and 4. You might observe here I'm not giving 2 units to cease. This is, there are 2 persons available, but here I'm giving only one customer will come and seize only one teller. That's the meaning here. So I'm just given it as teller 3 and 4 and only one person. The time taken for the business account is 15 plus or minus 10 minutes. So let me give this also as uniform in minutes. 15 minus 10, that is 5. 15 plus 10, that is 25. So okay for this. Similarly on the similar grounds, I'll just duplicate this and change this to let me make it as general accounts client transaction. So here let me edit this, make this as teller 1 and 2. And the time taken for them is, the time taken is 6 plus or minus 5. So it minimum is 1 and maximum is 11. So this is for teller 1 and 2. Let me connect them. They've asked exclusively see how many customers are spending. So let me add a record module. Record is available here. So the record template is available. This will be recording business account customers. So let me give the count value. The counter name will be business account clients. So this is, let me call the same thing here, business account client. The same thing I'll duplicate and call them as regular account clients. So this is regular. Let me edit the same thing and call this as regular account clients. Let me say okay. Now let me connect them. And let me give the exit for both of them. They will be disposed. That means to say they're exiting the system. So let me connect here. Let me rename this as exit. Now I need to add, there are two persons, two resources for business accounts as well as general account. There are two resources that I'll be doing here. In data definition, I'll go to the resource and give here teller 3 and 4. I'll give the capacity as 2. Let me check. I've given, yeah, teller 3 and 4. So I've given here 2, and teller 1 and 2, once again I've given it as 2. Okay, let me delete this. There is an extra thing. Okay, and now let me go to the run thing. I'll go to the run setup. First of all, the reports, I've given summary report. Project parameter, I've added all the parameters. Replication parameter. Here my terminating condition is, it is right click, build expression. The total entity out, that's nothing but total clients out, should be equal to 500. Then I'll be stopping the module. So let me run the module now. Okay, before running, yeah, it's running. Before seeing the result, I'll make one more change, that is with respect to entity. I'll give the client, I'll add a person there so that it will make us very clear for the animation effect. So the persons are coming here, you can observe this. So we can see here, regular account, there are 320 customers who have come, and business account is 180. So that's about approximately 33 and 66%. So we can also see, the other thing was, what time, percentage of time is a teller busy. So scheduled utilization, you can just check. Teller 1 and 2 is 59%, whereas teller 3 and 4 is 86%. And also the other question asks us average time that each customer spends in the bank. So here total time we can just find out for each customer. Clients accumulated waiting time and value added time, this is the total time. Similarly for general accounts, it's around 32 minutes. The each